and welcome back to ZeduHow series. I'm your host, the jolliest of developers, and today we have an exciting video ahead of us. Today we're going to be diving deep in how to use Google Sites. So first of all, let's find out where can we find Google Sites. So first you have to go to your Google Drive and click on a New. After that, go on More, and then press Google Sites. Once you press that, it'll bring you over to this page and click Got It. As you can see, it loads up this little page right here, and this will allow us to build simple websites in Google that are responsive. So in case if we have a project that we want to share with people, or if we want to build a quick little website, we can actually use this. So let's dive in with the basics. So first, what you want to do is you want to click here and you want to add a site name. You could call it whatever you want. For me, I'm just going to call it my project. Okay, as soon as you did that, as you can see, it also renames it up here. So now you can find it in your drive, easy peasy. And now it's time that we change our header. Now what we can do is we can actually change the header type to a large banner, or to a small banner, or just to the title, or we could go for a cover. Now this is just really depending on how you want it to be, but for me, I'm just going to go for a nice large banner. The next part that we're going to look at is that we are going to need to change the image. All we have to do is click here. We can upload an image if we have images, or we can select an image. If we select an image, we can already use the royalty-free images provided by Google. If we use these, it will allow us to create a simple, quick, a nice looking background. I'm just gonna select the one that I like most. And also we can click here where it says adjust for readability, and we can go and change the title to make it a little bit more bolder if we would like, or we can make it a little bit smaller, but let's go and make it extra big, and that is perfect. Now if you click here and press backspace, you will actually be able to change your text to, for example, my title. And what else can we do here? Well, the next part that we can do is if we go over here, which is our toolbox, it should be on your right hand side, you'll be able to select layouts. What this means is that if you click on it, it will let you create these small little segments, which are pre-made, easy to use templates. For now, we're just going to select this one, and you can also go and remove a layout by clicking the little trash can on the side. So now that we have that, we can click here and we can upload the YouTube video. We can upload something from our Google Drive. We can select an image, or we could use our calendar, map, or again, YouTube video. For example, if I would click on map, I could share locations with somebody, but today we're not going to do that. Instead, what we're going to do is we're going to go to our calendar and we can link up our calendar. All you have to do is select the calendar that you would like to use. For example, you can use your contacts calendar or your holidays in the United States. I'm just going to select that one for now and click Insert. As you can see, give it a quick second and it shows up all of the holidays. Now you can click to edit the text here on the side, and you can use that if you want to be able to change the text, but that's not mandatory. The next thing that you can do is you can also create a button. You can create maps, or you can link your Google Doc files. So if you want to know how to make Google Docs, you can refer back to our previous episodes, but I'm just going to drag in a couple of Google Doc files. So give it a second to load up, and you can already select and click Insert. Another thing that you can do is you can insert your Google Sheets, for example, and click Insert. And another wonderful thing is that you can even use your forms. So for example, if you want to share your Google Forms, you can do the same thing. And that is the end of today's episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we will see you guys in the next episode.